Hello, in this video I'm doing a new experiment on ubiquiti point-to-point local M5 that comes with a 24 volt passive injector, and I'm going to prove you I can power it on from a 12 volt only instead of a 24 volt that comes with it. So what I did at the first step is I grabbed it the PoE injector that comes with it, which is providing me a 24 volt on pin 4 and 5. That means 7 and 8 are the ground. That's why it says 0, right? That's great because our data will be on 1, 2, 3, and 6. Awesome. I have this switch. This is half of it. It's 8 ports PoE and 8 ports are non-PoE. So what I did, I plugged my cable and I made a supplies here, like a small supplies. That's where my power supply goes in. So what I'm gonna do you see how it's lighted up? It's the black cable. Let me disconnect this one. I don't want it. So you can tell that it is working. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. So now I'm powering it. I'm giving it 12 volt 5 amps at the max, right? And as you can see, the brown pair can be connected together to the ground, and the blue pair can be connected to the positive. Here you go. I just turned it off and it's now working. What I'm going to do, send an output, and you can tell that it is pulling the power, the current. Okay, and look at this one. It's going to come up. There you go. And before that, I verified again. I verified through my tester. And another way I tested, I looked for Google, I write there like ubiquiti 24 PoE input, and that's what it comes up. It says that, the blue pair is a positive and the brown pair is your negative, and the rest, the other two pairs are for the data. And when I search for it on the ubiquiti tool, device discovery, right? I have mine, two of them, they already like installed, which is, you see, like they are different. And the local M5, the one that I just had it's right there. And then I tested that if I can log into it, and yes, I am logged into it. So that means you can easily put a 12 volt battery, right? And most of the cameras, look, let's say this PDZ camera, right? A 12 volt. And this, they always have a big tail, 12 volt big tail, right? This is 12 volt. It doesn't have to have like a 48 volt. Don't worry about that 48 volt. Like this is generic camera, right? I have it sitting in my desk. 12 volt. Most of the cameras, 99% of the PoE, the IP cameras, they comes with a big tail that has a 12 volt input. That means you can have a solar and a 12 volt battery. That's all what you worry about. Don't worry about the 24 volt. Don't worry about 48 volt. If you like this video, let me know in the comments. Thanks.